When you create a culture that is also low ego, that flows down from the senior leadership team. It just means that you're having to move around fewer obstacles in any given day, and I love that about Ancestry. One of the areas that excites me most about the future is just the idea that we can bring technology into our work in a way that actually provides a better experience for our people. And so I think AI offers an incredible opportunity for us to personalize the way that we reach our employees. That really, for us, just means that we have better, more highly engaged people at Ancestry. Our people are here to do the right thing for our customers, and they're passionate about it. So when you put a bunch of those people together, there's some really good stuff that happens. What feels unique to me about Ancestry is how much our people love the work they do, in addition to loving the product. And so when you combine those two things, you have people that will move heaven and earth to make sure that they can do the work that they need to do